Good morning, my dear students. Today our topic is electric charges and fields. First of all, introduction. Static charge. Static charge means it will be the reflected to the electrostatic phenomena. The study of static charge is called electrostatic. There are two types of charges. Two types of charges. One is negatively charged bodies. These are called electrons. And the second one is the positively charged body. These are called protons. So regarding this, first of all, you know already the charge of electron is always negative. Charge of electron minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of charge. And similarly, proton charge is the plus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. About this, there is another neutron is also there. Neutron is nothing but it is a neutrally charged. There is no charge. Now coming to one of the main property. Unlike charges always attract each other. That means suppose one is the positively charged body and the other one is the negatively charged body. So these are the unlike charged bodies. Unlike charged bodies always attract each other, means both the particles are move closer together. Similarly, like charges are repel each other. So either positive, both are repulsive, and negative charge and negative charge also identical charges, like charges are always repel each other. This is the one of the major property. And second property, this is the first property. Second property of charges, charge always produces electric field. Static charge always produces electric field. We discuss later what is meant by electric field and what are the separate properties and the classification of electric fields. We discuss later. First we are going to the basic concept, what is the charge and their property. And the third one major thing is, the first you have to identify the unit of charge. Generally, unit of charge is the coulomb. It is denoted as C. So apart this, 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 power 9. You remember these values, these conversions also, because of suppose some applications given in terms of the different units. So 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 power 9 Franklin. Similarly, 1 coulomb is equal to 1.04 into 10 power minus 5 Farad. And 1 coulomb is equal to 1 by 10 EMU. EMU means electromagnetic unit. electromagnetic unit, and 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 power 9 ESU. ESU means electrostatic unit. So these are the unit conversions. And next property, quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. So regarding this property, suppose there is a substance, suppose this is the ball. So this is the conducting material, there is a ball, suppose this is the conducting material. This ball initially it is a positively charged. Suppose the total charge is Q. So from the property of quantization of the charge, the total charge Q is equal to, this is the positively charged, the integral multiple of integer, nothing but n, it is denoted as n, integral multiple of charge of either proton or electron. Be here positively charged, so that's why charge of E indicates the charge of proton. Once again repeated, what is the statement of quantization of the charge means? The total charge acquired on given object is Q is always equal to integral multiple of, means n, integer generally indicates integral multiple of charge of electron or proton. Here n may be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and so on, etc. But n never is a fraction, just only it is an integer. N not equal to either 1 by 2 or 3 by 2, whatever it may be, it is not a rational number. Now coming to one of the very very important question, previously came this question: how many electrons are there in 1 coulomb of charged body, a charged object. So this is the question: how many electrons are there in 1 coulomb of charged body? So for say this, suppose this is the body having 1 coulomb. So this 1 coulomb charged body, 1 means it is a positively, so number of protons are there in this body. You know the principle of quantization are generally Q is equal to Ne. Here Q is nothing but total charge on the body, so 1 coulomb. 1 coulomb is the unit of charge. N is the integer number. Let us consider N be the number of charges on the body, number. And E is the charge of proton. Already we discussed charge of proton value is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So this is simplify this equation. N is equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. That means N is equal to, simplify this value, 10 power 18. So that means 6.25 into 10 power 18 number of protons are there in a given substance. This is the one of the numerical. And next, another property, if your body has positively charged on it, if your body has positively charged on it, then does that mean it has gained some protons or lost some electrons? Once again, if your body has positively charged on it, so this is if the body positively charged means the number of electrons are ejected from the body, means removed from the body, then it becomes positively charged. Or otherwise, nothing is electrons ejected means nothing gained some protons. And another question, does the mass of charged body changes or not? Once again repeated, does the mass of charged body changes or not? Answer is yes. Because suppose this is the body, initially neutral body, suppose atom. So initially atom means there is no charge because equal number of protons as well as equal number of electrons. So one is the positive charged and other one is the negatively charged. So due to this recombination there is no charge. So charge of atom generally, remember this point, very important. Remember this point. So the resultant charge is the 0 in case of atom. Now the number of electrons are added in this system. The number of electrons are added in this object. So whatever you know already, mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 34. That means number of electrons are added. Number of electrons are added means the weight of the body gradually increases. Once again repeated, if the body becomes negatively charged means number of electrons are added. So in this case the weight of the body increases. So same concept, this is the neutral body. The number of electrons are removed means ejected from the surface. So this electron removed from the surface means it is the positively charged, only it becomes positive charge, means the absence of electrons. Absence of electron means nothing but the weight of the body decreases. That means positively charged body is always lose its weight. Negatively charged body weight becomes increases. So this is the another property. Next class we discussed regarding Coulomb's law and their properties regarding numericals. Thank you.